Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about knuckle translucency test. So first of all, let's clear the basic. What is the need of doing NT? We need to identify prenatal diseases while the baby inside the womb. What we need to identify here is the aneuploidies, many aneuploidies. Knuckle translucency test is a very powerful marker or powerful suggester of having various kind of aneuploidies, and most of them is a Down syndrome and various trisomies also. What we do here, we do an ultrasound at the gestational age of 11 to 13 weeks. What we see here, we see in very sagittal view. In sagittal view, what we see here, we concentrate on the head side of the baby. And when we are doing knuckle translucency test, the transvaginal ultrasound TVS is the best thing rather than transabdominal ultrasound. Transabdominal scan is okay, but the transvaginal ultrasound that gives you the very good picture of the head region of the fetus. Now what we are seeing here, let me change my pen. Okay, what we are getting here is that this is the fetal head. Okay, and what we are seeing here is, here this line is actually a back of the fetus, and the fetal skin at the back of the fetus. What is this? This is a cavity, fluid filled cavity, and this comes is the tissue just above the fetal spine. So what we need to do is we need to measure the maximum length, the maximum width of the cavity which is present at the back of the fetus at the age of 11 to 13 weeks on ultrasound on sagittal view. Okay, if this thickness is more than 3 mm, then we take it as a positive test, and now we are suspicious of the diseases that the baby can have. Okay, so which diseases can be have? Can there be, for example, Down syndrome, trisomy 11, trisomy 18, trisomy 13, Turner syndrome, Nefelter syndrome, triploidy, congenital heart diseases. Everything, this kind of diseases can be there if the translucency test in which the TL is more than 3 mm. Now when we should do NT test, should be done, I already said that 11 to 13 weeks we should do, but we should do know this thing. We need to do this thing when the CRL is, crown rump length is 38 to 84 mm only, because after this range, above and below this range, the NT test cannot be that reliable that we would want. Now I will tell you the reliable power of the NT test. If we do 100 test and it came more than 3 mm in all 100 cases, there is highly chances of 67 babies having this kind of diseases in their fetal life. So it is 67% it can detect the abnormality at very first trimester. What is the very important thing about NT is it is done in first trimester only, so that we can early identify the problem there. So thank you about hearing this video. Thank you.